Rev it, rev it. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a little special, actually a little different. We haven't done this in a long time, and I'm gonna bring you guys onto a meet with Elusive crew. It's from Elusive Montreal. We're all gonna meet up, and there's actually gonna be, I think, other crews. Anyways, it's all Instagram shit, so there's gonna be a bunch of Beamers, hot rods, Chargers, American, Japanese. There's gonna be all the freaking cars there. Because, well, quite frankly, we're all kind of just fed up of staying home all the time. So, I need to clean this car today. This thing is super dirty. I haven't had the opportunity to wash it in quite a while. As even the interior. Like, we've done some mods in the past, like some carbon fiber thingies. But, like, everything is super dirty. And I just want to kind of give it a whole refresher. I think the best thing to start with is the interior. Let's get started. Let's just give this a clean up, and then we're gonna flash forward to tonight. Alright, so obviously for the interior we're gonna need some sort of a vacuum. We're gonna need some leather cleaner, interior cleaner, and some all-purpose cleaner for like door sills. This is for like dash and trim pieces, and this is for my seats. Alright, so the interior is pretty much clean at this point. Like, everything's clean except windows. I'm gonna do that off camera because everyone knows how to clean windows. But I felt like it was my need as a man to show you exactly what I use to condition my seats. This is from Armor All, something store bought. I think it was $8. Don't really care, it does the job. But this is why I'm showing you this. Come on, I had to show you. Go ahead and tell me in the comment section down below what that isn't for fun. I don't know. Car's done, everything's done except the mats. I'll clean that separately right now as I clean the car. So let's start by rinsing it down, then power washing it with some soap. You know, the whole process. Let's finally clean this thing. I'm fucking lost. I don't know where they are. Like, I'm driving around. Watch me 100% get the wrong address. That's a classic.
Well, it did say last time it would have taken 45 minutes, and now this time it's at 23 minutes. So
don't jinx it like that.
I mean, there's no cars here that are meeting.
We're gonna have a problem.
Okay, this is the Grammy. Party for one!
Shut the fuck up.
So, a little update, Julian. We got the right address?
Yeah, we actually did.
Don't they feel weird if I videotape them? Julian. You excited?
Yeah.
I really like it.
We made it. We got some the popo with us. This guy's car is fucking loud.
You gonna make a friend?
Probably.
Is this the Armenian convoy over here?
All these guys on this side.
I know.
Oh fuck. Holy shit. Holy fuck.
I didn't hear it, bro. I didn't hear it.
Holy fuck. Holy shit.
Get a reaction.
I think that literally.
Get my reaction.
So what are we doing here?
Oh my god. Camera adds like 10 pounds, you know that. So it's gonna be like another like.
Oh Jesus
20.
Christ!
You know,
Just
he's gonna
focus.
put that in the video now. He's
What are we doing here?
Okay,
stuff.
where is he anyway?
Talk about all
Here he is, Mr. AutoDepth, Hamza. What does he do?
He sells products.
So like Car Pro, anything you need basically for like, you know, cleaning a car.
Press OK.
I love the kid seats though.
Oh yeah, that's.
Those are classic as well.
I get comments on that all the time. But that's my life,
they
man.
look
I have
great.
2 little kids, so
But they look great too.
I can take them with me. Hey, it's these.
There's an animal on your camera.
Yeah, I know. I get that a lot.
Very clean sound for sure.
Yeah, legit. Rev it, rev it. Okay, now I got parked.
No, that's
I saw one and then there's 2 Nismos. What the fuck, bro? Oh, this one's full on race mode. Oh wow, Nismo seats too. That's fucking sick, dude. It's a clean little build. It's a clean little build
You scared me.
for what it is. It's actually like nice, you know?
I want the M2.
You can see these every day. Very nice. Yeah. Jesus Christ. That's extreme. That is fucking loud. This is a big boy. I think someone liked my car. I think she liked it a lot. You've never seen that?
No?
Serious?
No, I'm lying. Oh, girls.
That's pretty cool. That's retarded. That's fucking sick. Dude, I love the purple.
Chris should do that.
Chris? Dude, no, he has to keep it purple. The purple was dope as fuck.
Purple was like,
Yeah, the purple was sick. This has to be my favorite car here. It's fucking beautiful. With bronze federals. Oof. Fucking drag radio. DOT approved. Oh my god. Insane. Wow, that's low. Oh, there's more cars that came back there. Twins. But I can tell their ass apart. Wow, a fucking NSX. Holy shit. Holy fuck, bro. Wow. Wow. Holy fuck, bro. Wow. Wow. The Z's from before. Bro, I love this one.
you know, I wanted this car. It's 8 years.
You wanted it?
Yeah. I didn't get it because it's bad for you.
Bro, it's fucking nice, dude. Wow, that's disappointing. It's fucking quiet as hell. Subi gang.
I only have blue or white.
That's fucking funny. That's fucking long. That's fucking loud. Yo, cops are definitely gonna come right now. Oh. Holy shit.
Don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I wanna, just know I don't stop. According to 4 in the morning, they snoring up on me. Every story I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm good at my craft, and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to.
Come on. Do a burnout. Nothing. Fuck.
Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm doing, I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, no one ever gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people
Holy shit. Bro, my fucking heart. It's not a car meet without some Hondas. Alright, everyone's dipping. It's time to go home. Just Beamer's doing their thing. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. May we?
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so we're leaving. You can make sounds. He's so scared to drive his car around these people. There we go. Watch the holes. Remember? They all went flying. So we didn't go flying. There's a puppy.
Huh?
There was a puppy. So do you want to end the video?
Yeah, end it.
What do you want me to say? I'm flying! Okay guys, so I think I'm ending the video. That was a very nice car meet. Did you enjoy?
Yeah, it was fun actually.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So just to make something clear, I won the M2
Oh god, here we go.
and not Julian. Right?
Sure, and what else do you want? What other car can't I have because you want it first?
A Jeep
Oh yeah.
and an X6 and
Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video. Drive you and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.